Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best cast iron griddles that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Camp Chef Reversible. With the seasoning process out of the way, you can use this cast iron griddle as soon as you take it out of the box. Once it is in place, you can use the 16 by 24 inch cooking surface to cook up any dish you want. You have the space you need. After you have finished your cooking duties, cleanup is not that hard. The natural cooking surface should be easy to clean and get ready for the next cooking time. When you have done breakfast, just flip it over so you can have it ready for lunch or supper. With a 16 by the 24 inch cooking surface, you have lots of cooking room. Also, this cast iron griddle will work on all 16 Camp Chef stoves. At number 4. Vremi Large Nonstick Cast Iron Griddle. Measuring 20 by 10 inches in size, you get 200 square inches of cooking space. This large amount of cooking surface allows you to perform your cooking magic every time you use this cast iron griddle. On the other hand, it is pre-seasoned for your convenience. In addition to those features, you get a non-stick cooking surface, making removing your food from its hot surface easy and simple, and a grease channel helps to keep a mess away from your stove. But make sure to hand wash and dry to prevent rust from ruining this griddle. Built-in handles make maneuvering this product easy, and make sure you do not drop it. Reversible, so you have cooking options. At number 3. ProLogic Square Cast Iron Griddle. When it comes to making breakfast, size does not always matter. Measuring 12 inches in size, you can still make a hearty breakfast in this cast iron griddle. Also, it is pre-seasoned, so you can start using this griddle after you get it out of its box. Moreover, the versatility of this cast iron griddle lets you make great breakfasts anywhere you happen to be. It also travels well and packs into small tight spots in your car, and its long handle keeps your hand away from the heat as you cook. Plus, to keep it clean, just hand wash it and rub a little oil into its surface. At number 2. Lodge Square Cast Iron Griddle Pan. Here is a nice deep grill that you can use to make those deep dishes you and your family enjoy. This cast iron grill may only measure 10.5 inches in size, but it does a man-sized job when you need to cook. In addition to that feature, this grill is pre-seasoned to make sure you do not lose any great cooking time. Once your food is inside its deep boundaries, you can be assured that the heat is evenly dispersed. No cold spots should ruin your dish. A long handle protects your hand as you cook. At number 1. Lodge Cast Iron Reversible Grill. Corner holes act like handles on this cast iron griddle. In that case, just put your fingers through the holes to remove it from your stove or campfire spot, or use those holes to flip it over and get this griddle ready to cook the noon meal. Not only can you cook great breakfasts on its non-stick surface, but you can also make great sandwiches, chicken and more. Keep your family's meals interesting with the options you get from using this top-of-the-line griddle. Also, its approximately 10 by 16 inch size allows you to make large portions that will satisfy your whole family. Pre-seasoned for quick use and easy to remove surface. Your food will taste better than ever after it is cooked on this cast iron griddle. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.